Alright, this is a once-in-a-lifetime scary sighting. These clouds are unbelievably dark. I'm not even photoshopping this. And it's not even sunset yet. It's like 6:30. So sunset is still about 20-25 minutes away. About that. So I'm not faking this. Whoa. I don't know if you guys saw the lightning. First the clouds are monstrous, and I have a good feeling the thunder is going to become monstrous. This is a supercell, I think. Whoa. I don't know if you guys saw that strike of lightning. You probably did. See a flash? Looks like a supercell. And it might actually be a supercell. This is monstrous.